I'm Arjun, founder of Zibble. Zibble is at the forefront of simplifying the rental process. We offer what traditional agents cannot, a simple and transparent way of renting. Zibble is a digital rental platform that makes it easier than ever for tenants to find great homes and landlords to find great tenants.
Tenants and landlords use Zibble for everything they need for a successful rental. From property listings and searches to contract generation and referencing, all supported by a digital onboarding process, aided by open banking applications which make payments and speedy referencing easier. Zibble uses artificial intelligence to power traditional elements of the renting process, such as finding the right properties for tenants, working out how much landlords should charge in certain areas, and for running affordability, income, and identity check. Once tenants have moved in, maintenance requests can be managed through the Zibble platform. This streamlines the rental experience and, more importantly, saves everyone time and money.
Our mission at Zibble is to take the traditional elements of the agency experience fully online and to combine this with superior technology. By doing so, Zibble can establish itself as a leading digital rental platform, vastly superior to alternatives.
So, how does it work? Prospective tenants use Zibble to find curated property listings, organize a virtual or physical viewing, and proceed to making an offer. After an offer is made, Zibble's speedy referencing technology powered by open banking means credit and affordability checks are run automatically, minimizing costly and frustrating delays. After contracts are signed and move-in is complete, the Zibble platform allows tenants to log any maintenance requests in real time, streamlining the rental process from inception through the life of the tenancy. For landlords, Zibble is supported by open banking applications, making screening potential tenants stress-free for landlords. Zibble has also partnered with TransUnion to integrate the credit rating of a tenant. By providing calculations of renter affordability, landlords can reduce the risk of defaults and rent quickly at a significantly lower rate than traditional agents or other PropTech solutions. As a property management platform, landlords can use Zibble to collect rental payments, keep up with compliance requirements, and view any maintenance issues reported on their properties. They can also use the platform to quickly find a local contractor and ensure tenants receive the best service.
Renting with Zibble is a much smoother process.
As long-term tenants who have had multiple issues in the past, Zibble has been a great and transparent way to rent, and they are really happy.
I highly recommend Zibble to any landlord. It's a transparent and easy way to rent out your property.
The UK private rental market is worth £1.4 trillion, with the London market contributing around £70 billion and growing. Currently, around 1 in 5 English households rent privately, rising to 28% in London. The rental market is expected to grow 122% in the next 10 years. With a growing trend of millennials shifting from buying to renting, Zibble is primarily aimed at this market, professionals and tech-driven individuals.
The team behind Zibble is incredible and smart. I love how they are using smart tech to solve the problem for both the tenants and landlords who have invested in them. I am glad to have been a part of the Zibble journey as an investor.
As a property entrepreneur with a fintech background and more than 10 years of experience in investment banking, I have overseen the successful launch and growth of beta version of Zibble into a platform that currently has several £million of assets under management. We have bootstrapped to revenues of 25k to date. With your investment, we can scale this platform across other cities in the UK, launch innovative features including cryptocurrency payments, and capitalize on this expanding market. Join us and help transform the growing rental market.
With your investment, we'll continue to lead with superior technology
And simplify the rental journey for our customers.